guys, so today we're going to be making a video. I'm going to be unboxing this 5 mini brands. This is going to be awesome. So let's open it and let's see what I get. Oh, and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and share this video so other people can see it. I love 5 mini brands, so this is going to be awesome. Let's unbox it. This is going to be cool. It's really hard to pull the lever. There we go. And now let's take it out. I think I'm supposed to pull this. There's plastic over it. That's why it's not coming out. This is really hard to open, see? I need to zoom it in. So guys, this is taking a long time. Okay, now let's open it. It's like 5 banana peels. Okay, let's open this one. There we go. I got this rice thing. It's so cute and adorable. It's so small. Okay, now let's go to the second one right here. This is really cute stuff. I got the Mentos! I always wanted the Mentos. That's so cool! Now let's open the other one. Here. Oh, the collector's guide. And the shaving cream! This is the collector's guide. We're gonna go look at it after we're done opening it all. Oh, we got bacon. See? Now let's open the last one. Hopefully it's good. Ooh! I got also, connected. And I also got this. Isn't that adorable? Oops, it's on the other side. There we go. Now let's see which one we got. Whoa, it's really long. It's like it's basically like a shopping list. Okay, let's see. Not that. Not that. Oh, I got the butter one here. Here's the Mentos. And I don't want to see how we got Mento and yeah, that's pretty cool. These are really adorable and really cute. I really love this because yeah, it's adorable. So here's what I got. I got the Mentos. I got the shaving cream bottle. Really cute shaving cream. I got this bacon crumbs. Oops. Here's the bacon. And I got this Jovy. There you go. And we also got some rice. Some fried rice. I think it's fried rice. Yeah. Ta-da! This is so awesome, guys. It's really cool, but let's see if I can like actually put it back into a ball again. If we can actually do that, that would be cool. It's my first time actually getting this. I never got it before, so this is pretty awesome. I'm trying to figure out how to put it back together. That. Then I think it goes like that, and then that. I did it! Okay, we got this. Now let's try to attach it. This is pretty hard. This is actually like maybe a really cool toy. I love this thing because it's like really cute and adorable, the thing. And what I also find cool about it is that it's kind of like a puzzle because you never know what you're gonna get. That's why I like about the surprise boxes things. There we go. I made it into a ball again. Now let's explode it. Ready? Steady. Oh! The shaving cream went flying. Wait, let's see. Collection, typical. Is there like, where do you want common? Oh yeah, there is. I got a common one. Let's see. This one. Yeah. And you can also get like these bags and stuff. Really cool, but I got all food this time. Really cute and adorable. So I hope you guys liked it. So bye, like and subscribe and share. I hope you guys love these mini brand things. I totally suggest you should get it. Well, bye for now. I'll be making other videos. So, peace out.